for solving mysteries behind blood disorders affecting millions of people. The 2022 Canada Gairdner International Award goes to Dr. Stuart Orkin. Dr. Orkin's pioneering work in genetic disorders of hemoglobin spans decades. Orkin is being awarded for establishing that the protein BCL11A controls the switch from fetal to adult hemoglobin during human development. With this discovery, he proposed a therapeutic approach to the hemoglobin disorders, sickle cell disease, and beta thalassemia based on genetic downregulation of that protein. By safely reactivating fetal gene expression in developing red cells, Orkin's work paves the way for clinical approaches that will reduce the suffering of patients with these disorders around the globe. His findings encourage the future development of cheaper and more readily accessible therapies. Gairdner celebrates excellence, convenes leaders, and inspires the next generation. Learn more about Gairdner laureates and programs at gairdner.org.